Hello everyone, I am Rajkumar from Sri Shakti Textiles Road. We are exporters of Niti cloth fabrics all over India and all over the world. So if you want Niti fabrics, Niti cloth material, you may contact us. But we deal only in wholesale. We are direct manufacturers and supplying to many garments unit which are spread all over India and all over the world. If you want our goods to be exported in other countries like Sri Lanka, Malaysia, or any other country, you may contact us because we have export license and we are authorized exporters. So today in this video, let us take a eye on some of the collections. See, this type designs we are manufacturing. You may get through all fancy new designs. Jeans type design. Sandal chiku taste designs. In each bundle there are approx 30 pieces. We provide the excellent color matching to our customers so that they can sell their products easily. This is a jeans design. Fantastic new pattern. See this design in single color. There are different colors, different patterns. Good moving. This type 5 colors. Take a look on our chiku taste designs. This is a fantastic new design with checked pattern. Actually these are geometrical designs, right? Geometrical designs, yes sir. The body color changes, red, pink, then comes yellow, green, royal blue. Let me open one piece and show you. See this. Upon stitching the nightie, it will be very good. A latest new design. How much meter does it contain? 3 meters, sir. You may stitch one nightie from this. One of the design, and take a look on this. These are totally daman based designs. That is a big flower below the nightie. Good, fantastic movement. Like this it comes. Here are some designs. Let me show you one piece. See this, sir. This is daman design which consists of a big flower. Yes, sir. In this type of designs, there are many design collection we have. In every item, there are approx 100 to 200 designs available ready anytime in our stock. Check this. A beautiful daman design. Sir, does the color is guaranteed? Yes, sir. The color, the quality, we have approved quality, approved colors. Come, let's see this new item. This is fancy Jodhpuri bandage. In this we have many color matching like this. There are 10 color matching available in this. This is regular designs, right? In this it comes like this. This fancy new model. This is a fancy design. New pattern, top and bottom, tie and dye designs. In this tie and dye designs, there are many models available with us. Let me show you for a sample 2 to 3 models. And the color matching also we provide the fantastic one.
These are quite beautiful.
You have all kind of colors. This is all over one. See this,
It's beautiful.
like this it comes. In this also there are approx 7 to 10 colors available. See this. Fantastic pattern.
Ocean blue color.
Like this it comes. Now let's check with this model. Oh, wow. The
Beautiful.
one beautiful
It's
pattern.
type an off and off design, right?
Off and off design. Superb patterns. In this also there are many fancy color matching. Check this. We can supply you any quantity of order. Any quantity means not a retail one. Even in case of tons, since we have export facility, we can fill a big lorry and supply you 2 lorry, 3 lorry. How much quantity you want, we can supply you. Now let's check with some other products also. Come. So still now we have seen cut piece items, that is 3 meter cut piece, and now let us check with lump items. We have lump items also, running pieces in which you can stitch in any type. You can make the best use of it. This type many designs available. In every item we have lots and lots collection of designs. So if you want running piece, that is lump form, 50 meters, 100 meters in a single color, single design, you may get from us. This type you will get all colors and designs, fancy colors. These are all lump form.
These are quite fancy.
Okay. And we have 3.20 cut item also. This is totally 3.20 cut designs. If you want to stitch full hand nighties, then you can stitch with this or this. Anything can be done. You can stitch full hand nighties or night suits. Anything can be done. Now let's check with this item. This is the double batik item. Fancy pattern. See this.
The designs are good.
Total fancy colors, fancy patterns will come. There are many colors available in this.
Sir, someone have said that in this type of quality the colors fade out.
No, sir.
But what about our quality, sir?
In our quality, the color will not get fade out, and because we are doing totally tie and dye and heavy quality tie and dye. Let me show you one piece in open so that you will get an idea. See this, sir. Grand item, the double batik item. Like this it comes. In this also we have many colors, patterns, designs available anytime, anywhere. Now let's check this item. This is a fancy new item. Total dark and bright colors. Very fancy colors. The wow colors. In this, see this type colors comes. This is one color. The second one. The third one. This also many colors and many designs available with us.
This is a faded design, right?
Yes, sir. Double batik with, see, the border comes and the perfect this
Quality.
also see the many designs. This is one of a checked design. I'll show you on this. See this fancy checked patterns. In this also see like this type all colors comes. All colors you will find. In this we have many designs. Now let's check with the some mix and match type items. These are all our folding mans. They are folding. See this, the perfect color matching. This type many super designs will come with the exact good color matching. So using this you can make top of this, the bottom of this, or you may use in a nightie the top of the nightie with this cloth and the bottom of the nightie with this cloth. The mix and match concept totally.
So what about the color guarantee of these clothes?
Sir, these are 100% color guaranteed products and you may trust us. In this also we have batik type design.
Okay.
See this design, the fancy
Line based.
cross type design, super color matching. This is a round design. Recently the round design is in very great form. Many people are liking this beautiful color matching.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yes sir.
If we want a particular design, and if we give an higher good quality, good order quantity, like what is the minimum quantity of that? If we want a particular design for us, what is the quantity of that?
If you want to make your particular design, then you have to make approx 2090s of the same design.
2090s. Is it possible, sir?
Yes sir, we can since we have our own manufacturing unit, we can manufacture your given design also. No problem in that. See this, the beautiful color matching. So I have shown you many of the designs, and if you want to buy from us, you may contact on the given number in the description and also in the video title, and we can help you, support you all over India and all over the world. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.